Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Square. We are going to cover pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Square and then we'll check the pricing so you exactly know how much is it worth. So this is a managerial tool that helps managers and team leaders effectively manage their employees and protect their businesses. With Square Employee Management, employees can be given different roles and different levels of access to the dashboard based on their roles. It has built-in time cards to enable employees to clock in and out at the register. The hours can then be edited and used to further in the payrolling plan. Employers can also take advantage of the employee reports to see who is performing best and who is lagging behind in duties. Additionally, the delegated employee management feature lets users allow their store managers add and track employees on their own without sharing full accounting access. The software's mobile staff feature allows employees to accept payments and issue refunds on behalf of a main account for free. And employers can also send staff with Square Reader and a phone to ring up customers. When we are going to check the pricing, we can see that in premium stages, it's custom. So you have to ask for a quotation. They also introduce a free forever option, but of course it's limited by all the features. So it's $0 a month, transfer as soon as the next business day, free Square Reader for MaxStripe, free Square Point and sale. Then we have a plus, which is $29 and more plus fees a month, and then the premium for biggest of the companies. I would say this is exclusively made for businesses and enterprises, not so much for individuals. You can run it in your web browser, as I'm doing right now, and also in your mobile phone. If it's Android or if it's iOS, it doesn't actually matter. It will work basically on every platform. They are based in US and California, and they are providing really great support if you find yourself in a situation that you really need the support. So from my point of view, it's really worth a try if you need to find a software to check in or check out with the employees and so on. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.